स्तुति आराधना ऊपर जाती है, आशीष लेकर नीचे आती है। स्तुति आराधना ऊपर जाती है, आशीष लेकर नीचे आती है। प्रभु हमारा कितना महान, देखो हमसे करता है प्यार। प्रभु हमारा कितना महान, देखो हमसे करता है प्यार। हालेलू हालेलूया, हालेलू हालेलूया। स्तुति आराधना ऊपर जाती है, आशीष लेकर नीचे आती है। स्तुति आराधना ऊपर जाती है, आशीष लेकर नीचे आती है। प्रभु हमारा कितना महान, देखो हमसे करता है प्यार। प्रभु हमारा कितना।
Hi students, how are you? And welcome back on my YouTube online classes. Now today we will start from exercise 1.3. Okay, class 7th exercise 1.3. Okay, question date 25 and 05/2020. First question is 100 minus 208 divided by 8. First of all, we will learn the rules of the dividing the sign or multiplying the sign. Okay, when we divide the same sign, we will get positive sign, and here also we are dividing this minus by this minus, we will get positive sign also. Okay, here we are dividing this positive sign by negative sign, we will get negative sign. Here also we are dividing this negative sign by positive sign, we will get negative sign. The same rule you will get in the multiplying rules. Positive sign multiply by positive sign, we will get positive, and here also negative sign by multiply by negative sign, we will get positive sign. Here we multiply negative to positive sign, we will get negative sign, and here negative sign multiply by positive sign, we will get negative sign. Here you will see, you have seen, when we are dividing the same sign or multiply the same sign, we will get positive sign. Okay, and when we are dividing the different sign, we will get negative sign. Okay, like in this also. Now solve this problem. Here minus 208 is a negative integer and 8 is a positive integer. This is positive integer, there is no sign before 8, so we have to consider positive sign before 8, because there is no sign before 8. If there is no sign before the number, we have to consider the positive sign always before the number. Okay, first of all we divide this negative sign by positive sign, we will get negative sign. And now divide this number by this one. Divide this number by this one. 8 and 208 divided by 8. 8 2 is 16. Okay. Now remainder is 4. Put 8 and 8 6 are 48. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Now the second one question and third one, B and C. I am going to both question in a same time. Divided by 5. 500 divided by minus 5, and in question number 6 C, minus 36 divided by minus 9. How will you solve it? First of all, divide the sign in this question. Here 500 is positive and 5 is negative integer. First, we positive sign divided by negative sign, we will get negative sign, and 500 divided by 5, you will get 100. Okay. Similarly, first of all, we divide the sign. Okay. Now this minus divided by this minus, you will get positive sign, and 36 divided by 9, you will get 4. There is no need to put positive sign if the answer is in positive condition. You have also write in this way also. This is also right, this is also right. Both are correct answer. Okay. You can write any way, in the positive with positive sign or without positive sign. There is no need to write positive sign if the answer is in positive. If the answer is in negative, this is necessary to put the sign before the answer. Okay, this is compulsory. Now I am going to solve question number D. Minus 490 divided by minus 449. Okay. First of all, we divide this minus sign by this minus, we will get positive sign, and 490 divided by 49, you will get 10. Okay. This is the answer of this question, positive sign. You can also write in this way. This is not necessary to put the sign before if the sign is positive. If this sign is negative, it is compulsory to put sign before the answer. Okay. Now the next question, E. 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. First of all, we open the inner bracket. I mean to say the open the small bracket. Here open the inner bracket. There is, first of all, check the sign before the bracket. Here is positive sign, and positive sign multiply with this negative sign, we will get minus. Okay. Now you and subtract these two numbers because they are having the different sign. You will get minus 1. Okay. Now this 13 divided by minus 1, and 13 is positive integer and 1 is negative integer. Okay. Minus 1 is negative integer, and when we divide positive sign by negative sign, we will get negative sign, and 13 is divided by 1, you will get 13 also. Okay. Okay. And the next one question, now I am going to solve F, number F. 0 divided by minus 100. When 0 divided by any number, you will get 0, always 0. Okay. This 0 divided any number, you will get always 0, and there is no need to put the sign positive and negative sign before the 0, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, here one thing more, if we divide any number like 10, and you can take any one number by divided by 0, you will get infinity sign. This is the sign of infinity, and this means not defined. Okay, because when we divide by 10 divided by any number divided by 0, 0 1 ja 0, you will get 10 in the remainder. 0 1 ja 0, okay, like this, you will get 10, and 0 1 ja 0, you will get 10, and there is no end of the quotient, so we will have to write not defined, the answer of this question. Okay, now I am going to solve the problem number G. Problem number G. Here is my tester. Minus 51 divided by minus 4 minus 1. Minus 51 minus 4, open the inner bracket, and multiply this negative sign to negative sign, you will get positive sign, and subtract these two numbers. Why we are subtracting these two numbers? Because they are having the different sign, and you will get minus 3. Okay, now divide this 51 by minus 51 by minus 3. First of all, we divide the negative sign by negative sign, you will get positive sign, and this 51 divided by 3, you will get 17. This is the answer of this problem. Okay, now I am going to solve question number H. Minus 48 divided by 12 and divided by 4. Okay, now first of all, we have to do the inner operation, and inner operation is dividing this number, divide this number by this one. Minus 40 is divided by 12, you will get minus 4, and okay, and now this number minus 4 divided by 4, you will get minus 1. This is the answer of this question. The number can be changed, okay, in the problems, so this is not necessary to write the same number in the exercise. You can take another examples if you want to take any number. Okay, I mean to say the answer should be correct. This is not necessary to write the correct value, but it is necessary to solve the correct answer, correct question, correct solution. Okay, now I am going to solve question number I. Minus 25 minus 7 divided by minus 2 and minus 2. First of all, open inner bracket, minus 25, and multiply this negative to negative, you will get positive sign, and here also open the inner bracket, minus 2 and plus 2. Here is negative sign. When we multiply negative sign to negative sign, we will get positive sign, and subtract these two numbers because they having the different sign, you will get minus 18. Okay, because the greater number without sign greater number is 25 and its sign is negative, so you have to write the greater number sign before the answer, and here you will have to subtract them. Why we are subtracting them? Because they having the different sign and you will get 0. And this minus 18, when we this any number divided by 0, you will get infinity. I mean to say not defined. Before I define, told you in the previous questions. Okay, now I am going to solve question number 2. Fill in the blanks. I am solving some questions in this question, like question number A and question number D and question number E. The remaining question you will have to solve at your home. Okay, now I am going to solve problem number 2A. Okay, how will you fill the blanks? Now let M in place of fill up, and this value can be written in this way also. And if there is no denominator any number, you can suppose 1 as a denominator of any number. Okay, and now multiply this 1 to this minus 19 to 1 and M to 19. This is the way of cross multiply. Okay, now multiply 19 by M and this 9 minus 19 by 1, and transfer this 19 to the right side of the equal to in a dividing side you will get minus 1. This is the way to fill the answer. You can put this value, you can write this value in place of fill up. Okay, and mark underline, and you have to write this value in a black ink. Okay, now the second one question I am going to solve. Second one question. Now I am going to solve question number D. 1 minus 93. Okay, let M in place of fill up minus 93. When any number or any variables divided by 1, we get the same number or variable. Okay, and the answer of the fill up minus 93. This is the answer, and the value of M you can put in place of fill up. Okay, now I am going to solve problem number G. Like the question number D, 7 divided by minus 5. Okay, now let take M in place of fill up, and you can write this value in this way also, and can put denominator 1 as a denominator. If there is no if any number having no denominator, you can suppose 1 as a denominator any number. Okay, and this M multiply to this denominator, and this denominator multiply this numerator, and this is for the cross multiplying. Okay, now multiply and 7 into minus 5, and m multiply 1, you will get m, and multiply this number to this, and multiply minus sign positive sign, you will get negative sign. Okay, 7 5s are 35. This is the answer, and this value of m you can put in place of filler. Okay, this is the way. Now I am going to solve the problem number 3. First of all, I am reading this question. Write 5 pairs of integers a and b such that a divided by 5 is equal to minus b. One such pair is minus 10 and minus 2, because minus 10 divided by 5, you will get minus 2. We have only write 3 pairs instead of 5 in this question. हमें आप इस क्वेश्चन में 5 की जगह केवल 3 पेयर ही आंसर देने हैं. There is no need to give 5 pairs. Okay, only you will give 3 pairs like this. Okay, you can take. Okay, first pair, question number 3. First pair minus 15 minus 3. When this minus 15 divided by 5, you will get minus 3 like this. And the second pair minus 20. Okay, and minus 4 like this. When we minus 20 divided by 5, you will get minus 4 like this. Minus 20 divided by 5, you will get minus 4. And the third pair, you can take any number. If you are taking 25, minus 25, okay, 25, and you will get 5. When we divide this number by 5 according to the question, like this, there is no need to write 5 pairs. Only you have to write only 3 pairs in this question. Now I am going to the fourth question. Now I am going to solve question number 4. First of all, I am reading this question in English, and then I will read in Hindi also. In a class test, 5 marks are given for correct answers and minus 2 marks are given for the incorrect answer, and no marks for not attempting any questions. In a class test, एक class test में स्टूडेंट्स को 5 मार्क्स जो है सही क्वेश्चन के लिए दिए जाएंगे, एंड minus 2 मार्क्स उसके गलत क्वेश्चन के लिए काट लिए जाएंगे. एंड जब उसको कोई क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर रहा है उसने, तो उसके लिए ना तो कोई मार्क्स दिया जाएगा और ना ही काटा जाएगा. ओके, तो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, A scored 80 marks if A has got 20 correct answer, and how many questions did A attempting incorrectly. A ने जो है 80 मार्क्स स्कोर्स लिया, मीन्स उसके टोटल मार्क्स 80 आए, तो उसने 20 मार्क्स का 20 करेक्ट आंसर्स दिए थे, और आपको ये बताने हैं कि उसने कितने इनकरेक्ट आंसर्स दिए थे. तो हम लोग इसको मान लेते हैं, मीन्स लेट नंबर ऑफ इनकरेक्ट आंसर्स. तुमने चालू ही नहीं करवाया. answers, okay, is equal to m. Okay, now multiply by 5 by 20 because the number of the correct question is 20 and each question, each question having a 5 marks, correct answer 5 marks, and add this minus, multiply the number of incorrect questions. The score, total score is 20. Multiply 20 by 5, you will get 100, and this multiply by minus 2, you will get minus 2x, and this 100 transfer to the right side of equal to like this, and subtract these two numbers because they having the different sign, you will get minus 20, and this minus divided by this minus. Okay, now 20 divided by 2. Okay, number of incorrect answer, number of incorrect answer, and incorrect answer is 10. Like this you can solve problem number B. Okay, you have to take let the number of I am reading this question also. B scores 0 marks in this test, though B has got 10 correct answers, and how many questions B attempt incorrectly. Let the number of incorrect answer is equal to m. Okay, 5 multiply by 10. Why we are multiply by 10? Because the number of right answer, correct answer is 10, so we multiply 10 by 5 and put plus sign, and the number of incorrect answers, the score will be 0. Okay, multiply this one, minus 2m, minus 2m, 0, and transfer this number to the right side of equal to, you will get minus 50, and this minus divided by this one, you will get 50 divided by 2, you will get 25. Number of incorrect answers is 25. And the last one question of this question, C scores minus 5 by attempting 13 questions only. C क्या केवल मार्क्स जो थे, उसका टोटल मार्क्स जो थे -5 थे, उसने ओनली 13 क्वेश्चन सी अटेम्प्ट किए. आई डोंट नो what are the number of the total questions, but she attempt only 13 questions, and in these 13 questions, she, how many questions has she attempted correctly and how many questions has she attempted incorrectly. You will find how many question, number of, let the number of correct answer is equal to m. The number of total question, total answer that she has given 13, And how will you find the number of incorrect answer? You will have to subtract m from 13, because the number of the total question 13, that C attempt, and this is the number of the incorrect questions answers, and this is the number of correct answer, and multiply this m to the marks 5, because this 5 marks are given for each correct answer, and minus 2 is giving here by the incorrect answer, and so multiply this minus 2 the number of incorrect question. You will get what will the total score? Total score of C is minus 5. Okay, now you can solve this problem in this way. 5m and multiply minus 2 these two numbers, minus 26, minus 30, 26, and plus minus plus, you will get minus 2m plus 2m. Okay, 5m, open the bracket, minus 26, when multiply this positive sign to negative sign, we will get negative sign, and positive sign to positive sign, multiply to each other, we will get positive sign, 2m. And first of all check the like term. Here these two terms are like terms, and so we will have to add them or subtract them. First of all we check the sign of these two like terms, they having the same sign, so we would add them. So the 7m, the total of these two like terms, and this minus 26 transfer to the right side of equal to, and we have to change this minus 26 to positive, into positive. When a number transfer to the left side or right side, the answer, the sign of the number will be changed. Okay, and now subtract these two numbers. Subtract these two numbers. Why we are subtracting these two numbers? Because they having the different sign. Okay, now subtract 21 is the answer, and 21 divided by 7, 21 divided by 7, you will get 3. This is the number of correct answer. Number of correct answer is 3, and number of incorrect answer, cameraman, this is showing or not in the camera? Okay, now you find, I think this is a wrong answer. Put this value. Unfortunately, I have written the wrong value here, so I am writing this again. Okay, unfortunately note the incorrect value, so I am very sorry, students. And now put the value of m, and the value of m is 3, and you can put this value in place of m, and subtract these two numbers. and the 10 is the number of incorrect answers. Okay, students, on question number 5, this question is very complicated for you, so you will not solve this question and go further. I am going to solve question number 6. This question number 5 I will teach you in the class after lockdown, so don't mind. This is a very complicated question for you. I explained it in the class after lockdown. Okay, so I am going to solve question number 6. You have to skip question number 5. This question number 5 I will solve in your class when the school will open. Okay, now the product of two numbers is minus 153 and one number is is 9. Find the other number. Let the other number be m. Okay, and when we multiply m to 5, the product will be minus 153. Now you can solve this problem in this way. Minus 153 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 and the remainder is 6, and 63 the remainder, and 63 divided by 9 you will get 7 as a remainder, and the other number is minus 17. Okay, this is the answer of this question. आप लोगों को जब दूसरा नंबर पता करना हो कि दूसरा नंबर क्या है, एक नंबर आपके पास दिया मल्टीप्लाई में, एक नंबर आपके पास 9 दिया हो, तो दूसरा नंबर आप सपोज कर लेंगे m, और उसका टोटल करके माइनस 153 दे रखा है इसमें. अब इसको आगे डिवाइड में ले जाएंगे, इससे इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपके पास माइनस 17 आपके पास आएगा. तो आपको जो पता करना था नंबर, फिर वो नंबर दूसरा नंबर कौन सा है. एंड द लास्ट वन क्वेश्चन. ओके, I am solving. Students, I am reading question number 7. The temperature of a town A at 4 p.m. was 41 degree above zero. The temperature recorded at 10 p.m. was 29 degree Celsius. If the temperature falls a constant rate per hour, find the fall in temperature per hour. आप लोगों को ये पता लगाना है कि हर घंटे कितना टेम्परेचर गिर रहा है. पहले उसने बोला है कि कहा है कि क्वेश्चन में कि 4 PM पर उसका टेम्परेचर क्या था. तो टेम्परेचर एट 4 PM 41 degree Celsius. Okay, temperature at 10 PM 29 degree Celsius. Subtract these two numbers, means difference. Find the difference in the time. Difference पता चल ही नहीं रहा। डिफरेंस in time, 10 minus 4, what is the 6 hours, and difference in temperature, 41 subtracted 29 subtracted 41, we will get 12 degree Celsius, and this 12 degree Celsius divided by 6, so you will get the answer. Okay, 6, 2 degree Celsius, this is the correct answer. Okay, this 2 degree Celsius, 2 degree Celsius, right, in this way, 2 degree Celsius temperature is falling per hour. सॉरी, इस falling की जगह आप लिखिए students, this is the last question and I am requesting you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. आप लोग सभी लोगों को मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि मेरे आने वाले वीडियो आप लोगों तक पहुंच सके, आप लोगों को तक उनकी सूचना पहुंच सके, ठीक है, ताकि नोटिफिकेशन पहुंच सके कि मैंने आप लोगों के लिए क्या वीडियो तैयार करा है। ठीक है, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बाय बाय।